Still good.
Matthew. Yeah, man, I got a minute. Yeah, I hear you. I'm definitely getting sick of winter too. 5 days in Kamloops, riding dual sport motorbikes. That sounds amazing. I say we do it.
Why won't you say nothing at all? Just walk on by. Don't give me your love. Why won't you say nothing at all? Just walk on by. Don't give me your love. I'm tired. God knows I'm.
All right, so 9 hours later and we're in Kamloops. It's raining, but I don't really care, and I don't think Matt really cares either. We checked into our Airbnb. I mean, it's absolutely worth it. We have no idea where we are. Yeah, we have the evening to kind of set up shop and ride a little. It's supposed to rain until about 10 o'clock, and then tomorrow's supposed to be super sunny. Crazy thing is there's Canada geese here, and I mean, we don't see Canada geese until like mid-April, so we're like a month and a half. Really, that's like a weird thing. It made me feel like a little boy hearing geese again in the spring for the first time. One of the first things I noticed about Kamloops was just its vastness, the ability to ride and see for miles around you. An experience that I definitely wasn't used to, coming from the thick boreal forest where we normally ride. Alright guys, so if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. So much more to come, including more from this trip to Kamloops. Goes a long way in me helping make content for you. designated access roads and obey all signs. Something we had to consider when riding in this area was that there was a section of riding that was considered restricted access. As long as we kept to the main trail, we were good to go. As a rider, I really appreciated the signage. The only thing that was missing from these signs was a "You are here" pin, because in a lot of cases we had to refer to our GPS to understand where we were actually located in that restricted area when we were riding. It didn't take long for us to realize that accessing the full potential of these trails was going to mean gaining elevation and finding snow. Where we at? Kind of in a little hollow for sure. Fun. Oh, I got a hill to climb here to surmount. My white boots! Oh, dirt. Yeah. One thing's for sure, dirt bike tires do not perform well on ice, as you'll soon see. It's icy. Dude, just went to Grand Cache. Still good. That belly button gets my horn all the time. Yeah. I know it. Yeah, totally. Alright, so that is day one of riding in Kamloops. Day two was even crazier. If you're enjoying videos like this, check out this playlist over here on my Honda 300L rally videos. And if moto camping is something you're into, click over here. I got a really good moto camping video. Thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you next Friday.